Floor Gripmatic Live, guys. We are in Palm Coast, and I want you to take a look at this. So this particular floor was done a little over a year and a half ago. Look at this. Notice that the floor underneath was never prepped. This contractor came in here and basically laid this epoxy, which comes from a box store, on top of concrete without prepping the concrete. And this is what you get. You get what's called hot tire pickup. So now we have to come in, we're going to completely remove this coating, and then we're going to put our coating down. This is what happens when you let guys talk you into, oh, we'll do your garage for, $500, $1,000, or whatever their prices they're throwing out there. This is the kind of junk you're going to get. Go with a company that has a reputation, that has well over 250 five-star reviews, who stand behind their work. And if there's an issue, we'll come back and fix it. This is unacceptable, guys. And people think all coatings or all epoxies are the same, and they are not. Just like all contractors are not the same. So I want you to take a real good look at this. The next time you see an ad and someone says they're going to do your garage for a couple $100, run for the hills, because there's no way possible they can give you quality work for such a low price. Give us a call. We give out free quotes. We cover everywhere from Fernandina Beach down to Ormond Beach, and we go west about 40 miles out to the Ocala area. Got a very large footprint. We are family owned and operated. We stand behind our work. And as noted earlier, we have well over 250 five-star reviews. 904-441-1400.